The Republic gunship set number 7163 from 2002 had an exclusive metal blue version of the Super Battle Droid. This is valued around £71 these days, so keep looking in those toy boxes. And this is exactly what we have for day 4 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar for 2024. The gunship was a 693-piece set with 8 minifigs. It consisted of the gunship itself, loads of clone troopers, a Jedi Knight and a Droid, and it's based on the Attack of the Clones film. At last, an advent calendar without a B1 battle droid. These B2 series Super Battle Droids, also known as just B2 Super Battle Droids, were an advanced battle droid used by the Confederacy of the Independent Systems during the Clone Wars. These B2s were much stronger than their predecessors, and like the updated B1s used by the Confederacy, they did not require a command system to operate, and this gave the droids limited independence. However, they were designed with simple processors, limiting their ability to formulate strategies. As a result, they relied on organic commanders or tactical droids in order to operate effectively. Another improvement was their thick armour casing, which contained their fragile sensors. This made the B2s much stronger than the B1s, with enough strength to lift a clone trooper off the ground. Having been developed before the onslaught of the Clone Wars, the first batch of B2 Super Battle Droids was put into operation on Geonosis. The droids could take more hits and could stand up better to their enemies than the B1s. However, the Super Battle Droid cost a lot more than the B1s, and their higher cost made it so that there were often more than 100 B1 battle droids for every B2 on the battlefield. An expensive commodity. Did you spot C-3PO's head on the B1 battle droid?